Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here on above we will search about the application of Snapchat and we click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.